Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about those true desires that every woman needs from her man, but most of them just won't open up and say it. Yes, are you new to my channel? Please subscribe, and if you'd like a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. To purchase any of our goodies, go to noraarake.com/shop. So without further ado, let's get into the video. These are some of the desires women yearn for. Number 1, a simple text of good morning beautiful, of good night baby. Number 2, pictures taken together. Number 3, surprises and gifts. Number 4, taking her to meet his family and friends. Number 5, wearing his sweaters, his jumpers, his shirts, t-shirts with his scent all over it. Number 6, those really long hugs. Number 7, dance with her once in a while. Take that slow dance with her. Number 8, sincere compliments. Number 9, singing her favorite song even if you're singing it off tune. She would love that. Number 10, a cute teddy bear. This she would hug every time he's not around. Number 11, real deep conversations, meaningful conversations. Number 12, nonsensical conversations, fun conversations. Number 13, gentle manliness and back hugs. Number 14, comfort and patience when she breaks down in tears. Number 15, telling her how much you love her at least once in a while, in an hour in a day. Gentlemen, I hope you understand, and ladies, I hope I'm right. So, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. If you'd like a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.